Managing customer support across multiple different platforms can be a huge headache. But in Tidio, it all happens in one place, your inbox. I'm Liz, and in this video, I'll show you how to manage tickets in Tidio and walk you through the inbox features every support agent should know. This is part of our Getting Started with Tidio series, and by the end of this video, you'll understand how to pick up tickets, reply efficiently, collaborate with your teammates effectively, and keep your queue organized. So let's get started and head over to your Tidio panel and open up the inbox. The inbox is your main workspace for both live conversations and tickets. That means agents won't have to jump around between separate tools just to handle chat and email support. For live conversations, you'll work between the unassigned, my open, and solve tabs. Tickets follow a similar structure, so the layout feels familiar right away. You'll also notice two other sections, views and agents. Views help you prioritize work by topic or channel, and agents let you preview other teammates' conversations. I also want to highlight a very important section within a ticket or live conversation. On the far right-hand side, you'll see a small arrow, and when you click on it, it'll open up the customer data of that ticket. That'll give you an abundance of information about that customer. You can learn about customer data like name, email, location, viewed pages, and even customer purchase information, including order history. When a new email reaches your connected inbox, Tidio creates a ticket and places it in the unassigned folder with the status open. This is where agents usually start their ticket workflow. And at the top of the ticket, you can change the assignee, status, and priority. You can also access options like marking the ticket as spam, merging related tickets from the same sender, blocking the email address, or deleting the ticket. When an agent is working inside a ticket, they can reply directly, leave an internal note, or forward the message to another recipient. You could also choose which sender address to use and add CC or BCC when needed. The editor also supports basic formatting like hyperlinks, file attachments, and canned responses, which are called macros in Tidio. Macros are especially useful for repeated answers like shipping questions, return policies, and refund updates. They can save a lot of time, and they could also trigger actions like reassignment, status changes, or adding tags. When you need to collaborate internally, you can use the internal notes instead of replying to the customer. Notes stay visible only to your team, so they're perfect for summaries, handoffs, or context for the next agent. You could also mention a teammate by using @ and their name inside an internal note. This sends them a notification, and the conversation will appear in their mentions folder. For everyday ticket triage, agents should get comfortable with these three actions: reassigning the ticket, setting the right priority, and adding ticket tags. And tags will help your team quickly identify ticket types and can also be used in custom views. Tidio gives you 3 ticket statuses. Let's go over them together. They are open, pending, and solved. New incoming tickets start as open. You can use pending when you're waiting for the customer, and solved when the thread no longer needs action. If the customer replies to a pending or solved ticket, Tidio moves it back to open so it returns to your active workflow. To manage volume, agents can sort ticket folders from newest to oldest or the other way around. In My Open, there's also a Show Pending option, so you can decide whether pending tickets stay visible in your active list. And once the queue grows, custom views become one of the most useful tools in the inbox. You can create filtered views for things like urgent tickets, billing issues, or VIP customers. Here are a few ways you can keep your queue clean. If the same customer sends multiple separate emails, you could merge them into one thread. That keeps the history together and makes the case easier to manage. Messages relevant, like a no-reply email, autoresponder, or newsletter, you can use the spam workflow. Tidio detects some of these automatically, and spam tickets live in their own folder at the bottom of your inbox panel. One last feature support agents should know: you can create a new ticket directly from a live chat. That's useful when an issue needs follow-up by email, or when the resolution will take longer than a real-time chat should. By mastering both your widget's appearance and your inbox workflow, you've built a professional, branded support system that's ready to turn every visitor interaction into a seamless customer experience. In our next video, we'll go into team workflows and show you how to organize agents, departments, and responsibilities all inside Tidio. If you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment below, and you can check the description for the Help Center guides used in this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.